can you use WhatsApp without a personal phone number? So if you want to know that if you can use WhatsApp without a personal phone number or not, then first you need to just install your WhatsApp. Now in my case, I've just freshly installed WhatsApp right here. Tap on it and it will take you to the login interface, right? So go and agree to the terms and service and then allow. And here you need to choose a country and then it will ask you for a phone number. Otherwise, the next button is unavailable for tapped in. But you have also the three dots at the top right. Tap on it and you will have an option of link as companion device. You can tap on it and you will have this alternative way. So what you need to do is open your WhatsApp on your primary phone. Once you've opened, now you need to tap on the menu on the other phone and then go with linked devices, or if you're using your iOS, you can go with settings and then go with linked devices. And then tap on link a device and point your phone to the screen to capture the code. I've just captured, so just wait for a few seconds, and once you've waited, it will load your chat and it will log you into your account. In this way, you'll be able to use WhatsApp without a personal phone number as a companion device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.